na merong pansit canton. Ang sagot ay Max's Platter Meal. Yan po ang kasagutan. Marami nang siyang SMS, may mga pangalan, iba mga mali. At iba dito, ang dami mga interest nila. Ang nanalo, ano to, lalaki to, babae, di ko alam. Ako lang mag-react ha. Ang nanalo, pangalan niya ay Van ba to? Van? Vanillo daw, Vanillo. Alam, babae pa, babae, lalaki. Iwan ko. Ha? Lalaki? Alright, okay, congrats. May tatawag sa inyo kung paano ma-claim ang prize. Congratulations. You won voucher for chicken dinner meal for 5 katao at Max's Restaurant. Hintay lang tawag ha, galing sa aming opisina.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
Paul Griffiths, the CEO of Dubai Airports. How much are you spending on the improvements?
The total project at DXB is something like $7.8 billion. That's for Concourse 3, Concourse 4, and of course the 25% increase in the cargo mega terminal. And let's not forget of Terminal 2, which is undergoing its own extension to facilitate the growth of Fly Dubai. I don't know an airport in the world that's doing that amount of simultaneous expansion in one go. And we're planning to complete all of that $7.8 billion investment by 2018.
The Banter.
We were talking about bespoke Ferraris and things you'd like to put in them if you could wish anything into a car. I would love to have in my car the ability to turn down the volume of the passengers in it.
If I was designing my bespoke car, that I'd have a force field to keep other drivers away from me. Malcolm's dreaming of a bespoke Ferrari for Christmas.
A noise-cancelling Ferrari? Same mine's the one.
And tomorrow,
We'll be looking at what the future holds for the UAE's family businesses.
the UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6 with Anantara Hotels, BMW Group Importers, and BASF.
When money is the bottom line, securing it is the front line. With over 30 years in the industry, Al Rostamani International Exchange has developed remittance services tailored to personal, small, medium and large business needs. Secure your transfer needs in business with their commercial foreign exchange services, offering rates better than banks, along with a more personalized service. Al Rostamani International Exchange. You get more money for your money.
Well, it was just a matter of time. The Dubai Eye team is getting bigger, and if you feel you have the journalistic skills to be part of that growth, and you have the energy, passion, and creativity to help take us to the next level of excellence, then we want to hear from you. Simply send your CV and showreel to englishnews@arn.ae. That's englishnews@arn.ae. Tackling the world of sports every Saturday from 5. Join Tom Urquhart and friends on The Grill. 3 hours of banter, special guests, featured stars, and more than a few laughs.
New cycle path is nice, says one of our listeners, but can't it be wider and with benches and water fountains as well? Very civilized.
Yeah, why don't we put some air conditioning down there as well? In fact, why don't we make it one of those like the giant treadmills where you don't have to do any riding, the road just goes for you.
The Grill, Saturdays from 5 p.m.
In association with Zurich, your world, our insurance.
And Barasti, where the game is always on, exclusively on Dubai Eye 103.8. Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Al Ansari Exchange. Close to you in Sharjah Co-op Society in Korean area. Al Ansari Exchange, your first choice.
Ito na po ang pinaka-final segment ng Filipino Excellence in the Middle East at papakinggan na rin ang mga final messages ng ating 4 guests. Umpisa natin si Luis Rodelas, isang accountant, 7 years na po sa Dubai at nagtuturo po ng PowerPoint sa Digirati.
Para po sa nakikinig ngayong gabi, sana po lagi tayong dalhin sa sarili natin na we are hungry for learning. Dahil pag po tayo hungry for learning, we will do something to educate ourselves. Because through education, that's the way to improve. And because education will always be there to help you in your life. And don't let yourself be left out. Do something to improve and help yourself. No one will help you but you yourself. And kung sa mga gusto pong matutong ng different MS Office, mag-enroll po kayo sa The Filipino Digirati. At kung sino man po ang gustong ma-develop ang public speaking skills and leadership skills, sumali po kayo sa Digirati Toastmaster Club. Pwede nyo po akong i-text sa aking number o tawagan kasi ako po ang Vice President ng membership ng Digirati Toastmaster Club. Ang number ko po 055-608-1689. Muli po maraming salamat at maraming salamat po sa Dubai Eye for inviting us, and it's my pleasure to be here. It's really, I enjoyed my stay. To Miss Rachel, to Sir Art, to Daddy Blue, and to my also to the trainer of the Filipino Digirati, especially to our team leader, Miss Bunny Lu. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta rin dito, saka kay Richard sa pagsama na sa akin. So at least hindi ako nagsusolo sa pagdadrive. At saka kay Darlene, thank you for being with us. Muli po maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Luis. So kasama pala si Charity dito sa
Si Charity po ang aming chartered president.
kasi pumupunta sa amin palagi sa TriStar Toastmaster Club.
Kasi yung TriStar is our baby club.
Okay.
Kami
So,
founder
kami
na.
pala baby. Kaya kahit ano pala ako, topic number 3 pala ako eh. Okay, ang next natin ay ang ating balloon expert, si Myra Velonza Ignacio. Myra?
Ang masasabi ko lang po is huwag po kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Learn is the best talaga. At saka kahit na anong dumaan sa inyong buhay, ang pag-aaral ay hindi yan magpakailanman yan. At saka huwag kayong kahit na surrender, just go and go. Yun lang. At pag go. Sige.
Sige lang. Go pa tayo.
Kung gusto po nyo mag-enroll sa Filipino Digirati sa livelihood, tumawag lang po kayo sa 050-5369-806. Binabati ko po yung partner ko na si Dennis Rojas and Michay. Kumusta? Hi.
Galing naman. Yun po si Myra Velonza Ignacio. Nagtuturo po siya ng balloon decoration. Anong tamang term? Balloon decor? Balloon decoration?
Balloon decors and party needs.
Balloon decors and party needs. May kilala ko sa Pilipinas na sikat na balloon, Popoy's Balloon. Okay, ang next natin, siya po isang executive secretary at expert po siya. Actually, siya ang Filipino Excel in the Middle East po siya. Si Edmund Ed Cabading, final words?
Ayun po, salamat po ulit sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin dito. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na yung mga gusto pong mag-aral pa, basta nasabi na nila din lahat, patuloy pa lang din, tuloy-tuloy lang yung aral. Dito kasi sa Dubai, ang tinitignan po nila ay yung kaalaman. Wala po ito sa edad, wala po ito sa gender, wala po ito sa basta't kaya nyo po, kakayanin. Nandyan po ang Digirati para tulungan din kayo. Nandyan din ang OPS para tumulong din po sa mga gustong mag-aral pa ng ibang mga bagay. Now, ang gusto ko lang pong mag-imbita ulit para sa susunod po namin na term, January. But then, kung gusto nyo pong humabol, bumisita din po kayo sa Karama, sa President Hotel, sa Dera po, sa Ajman, sa Sharjah, sa Ras Al Khaimah, Al-Ain. Marami po diyang available na at hanapin nyo na lang po ang aming Facebook account. Isa na lang po, meron po ako kasing Facebook account specifically and especially for Microsoft Excel, MS space Excel space fans, so you can get your free tips and tricks right there. So pwede po kayong magtanong doon. I'm going to give you some pointers and answers. Ayun po, maraming po salamat ulit.
Sige, maraming salamat Ed. Habang lilipat si El doon kay Milo, basahin natin yung mga Facebook translation nating alam ko ipapasa ko. Sabi ni Mary Jane Alvero, si Mary Jane, I will share my knowledge. Sabi naman ni Glory Phil Jose Capuras, my knowledge is transferable. At sabi naman ni the same pa rin siya, Glory Phil. Okay, Milo, final words?
Hindi na ako magbibigay ng ibang message dahil nasabi na rin ng mga kasama ko dito. So ang sasabihin ko na lang, yung invite ko na lang kayo this coming Friday, yung mga gusto pang humabol, pwede pa yung sumali sa aming mga pagsasanay sa pagkuha ng litrato. may mga pang-umaga po kaming klase mula alas 10 hanggang alas 12 sa digital photography. Bali, 5 section po meron kami ngayon. So, 2 section sa 10 o'clock, 2 section sa 12 o'clock, at 1 section sa 2 o'clock. So, makakapamili kayo ng oras. And doon naman sa 2 pa naming subjects, yung how to enhance photos, it will be for 5 meetings lang. So, kaya yung mga hindi tapos ng 10 meetings sa digital photography, pwede kayong kumuha muna how to enhance pictures. So, 5 meetings lang ito. 2 section kami meron ito. So, meron kami ng, I think, 10 o'clock at saka 2 o'clock. And yung mga gustong matuto ng graphic designing, may isa kaming subject dito. Pwede din kayong pumunta sa Friday at mag-enroll. So, open pa po ang slots. At mag-i-enjoy po kayo sa mga klase, I'm sure. So, yun lamang po. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Dubai Eye, kay Daddy Blue, at sa Filipino Excellence na Middle East, kay Kuya Art. Kuya. Ako pala ang kuya. And Ate El.
Thank you very much, Engineer Milo Torres. Bago magpaalam si El, pinabati natin ating super lolo, super lola, si Arnel at Mimi Batusin, ang CFC Jam at CFC Music Ministry, yung mga nag-practice kanina, si Raymond, Ronnie, 2 Ronnie, Malu, si Ryan, si Nikki, si Darlene, si Red, sino pa El, si June, sino pa ba?
Si Raymond,
si
Nikki,
may nakalimutan tayo.
Si
Kompleto
Chris.
na. Si Malu, si Chris. Okay. Ikaw, final words mo?
No, yung kanina may nag-abang, sila yung mga taga-Paris Gallery, si Binti Husnahin, si Charmaine Santiago, tsaka si Banji Mendez. Okay, maraming salamat, Engineer Milo, Sir Ed, Kabading, si Myra, and of course, si Luis. Ang pagdating nyo dito at pag-share nyo ng inyong mga kaalaman ay napakalaking tulong para sa ating mga kababayan. At itong programa na ito, ang Filipino Rhythm and the Filipino Excellence in Middle East ay partner nyo mula ngayon sa inyong success. Okay, welcome kayo, and from now on, you'll be called our Filipino Excellence Middle East Mentors, okay? At para dun sa mga nagpuyat, maraming salamat. Yung mga nandiyan sa nanalo kayo, mabuhay kayo.
Bali pala, basta isang winner, tatawagan ng mga taga-Digirati. Pero yung winner po, yung nag-text message po sa 4001.
Paano yung nasa Facebook?
Next time na lang yata sila. O pag-usapan na lang nila. Basta 4001, tatawagan po kayo yung mga nag-text message sa 4001.
Alright, thank you so much again. Happy birthday to Nestor Pagdaganan. Ang programa po, ito ay para sa inyo. Hindi sapat na Pinoy ka at hindi pwedeng ox na yan, o sige na nga, at dahil Pinoy ka, dapat magaling ka. Hindi dapat maging tahimik, piling maliit, or mahiyain. May sinabi ka kasi Pinoy ka, mahusay at magaling, may puwang ka sa mundong ito para maging isang Filipino excellent. Ito po si El, salamat sa inyong lahat and God bless.
Okay, sa programa ito, walang bata matanda, mayaman mahirap, may pinag-arang wala, basta Pinoy ka at magaling ka, kasama ka namin sa pagsulong ng isang mahusay na Pilipino dito sa Gitnang Silangan. Mabuhay tayong lahat at God bless. At ano pa?
Maraming salamat kay Jeka.
Ating kasama si Jeka Carillo at kanilang Carillo family. Welcome back, Kuya Danny. Mabuhay tayong lahat at God bless again.
It's more fun in the